Watch the oil pressure. And the manifold pressure went up.
Get a nice picture of the bill of your cap.
702-908.
And our flight plan is set.
Is?
And we have tower ready to go.
Yeah, I just have to switch over to COM 2.
Okay, engine instruments check. Good. Carb heat off. Love you, baby.
Love you. Are you proud of your little purple thing there?
It's definitely improvement. I don't like bumping into it, but we're a little cramped for space. Okay, we want COM 2. Go ahead and switch to.
This area frequency set on COM 2, and when I'm broadcasting on your frequency tower, I'm receiving on practice area frequency.
Arrow 2 Delta Alpha, I just caught a bit of the conversation sound like, where you told him sound like he understood it, so I've heard some mic clicks, so maybe I was just getting tired of listening to all his actions up there in the practice area.
Delta Alpha, roger.
Appreciate your help, and use right base, change to 22 left, turtle land, number 1.
Turtle land, 22 right, Arrow 2 Delta Alpha.
Right. Tree share Charlie, takes ramp via Delta, monitor ground point 3.
Okay, Charlie, roger.
Arrow 2 Delta Alpha, that was 22 left, you can change to 22 left. Turtle land.
22 left, clear to land, Arrow 2 Delta Alpha.
Falcon Tower, Mooney 7764, Mike, holding short of 22 left, ready for departure.
Mooney 7764, Mike. Falcon Tower, right turn approved, runway 22 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 22 left, clear for takeoff. 764 Mike. I see 792 Delta Alpha. Or maybe that's a bird.
It's far enough out that they said, don't worry about it.
Right turn approved. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we get up to between 8 and 9, I can turn. Okay, window closed. Straight on the runway, heels on the floor. Full power. Right rudder. Airspeed's alive. Positive ready to climb. No more runway. Gear up. Or in transit. Gear up. Flaps up. Climbing speed 80 knots. Okay, return approved. What is our heading we're going to want?
324.
And now we're going to have to watch for airspace.
It looks like we could miss Scottsdale.
Boost pump off. Throttle back to 20.
I'm not sure if that's Scottsdale or, but I'm thinking it has to be.
Arrow 2 Delta Alpha, if you like, you can roll to Delta 3. I got no traffic. And taxi the ramp via Delta, monitor ground point 3. Thanks for your help.
So 902 Delta Alpha was helping some guy out that didn't have a radio.
Delta 3, and thank you. 2 Delta Alpha.
Transmitting on one frequency and listening on another. Same altitude, 2 miles.
Traffic, 2 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Same altitude. 1 mile.
Oh, I see him.
Where?
He's just under the...
Oh, I see him.
See him?
He's a little bit lower. Keep your eye on him.
I will.
In case he wants, gets a wild hair and turns left or something.
Quite a bit below us now. We're 60 miles away. So which mountains were we seeing before? Why did they look so much higher?
Cherokee
Because
5
we were 2,000 feet lower.
Runway 2 clear for takeoff.
Our ground speed is 156 knots.
Yeah, we're moving.
So what is knots slower than...
Knots is way faster than miles per hour.
Oh, okay.
So we're going like 170 miles an hour. Prescott Tower, Mooney 7764 Mike, 8 miles east with information, Echo landing full stop.
Mooney 7761 Mike, Prescott Tower, make a left turn, proceed inbound for left base, runway 21 left.
Left base for 21 left, 7764 Mike.
The airport.
Mooney 61 Mike, amendment to instructions, make left traffic, runway 21 left, enter the downwind, beam the tower.
Make left traffic for 21 left, enter traffic, beam the tower, 764 Mike. Left traffic.
754, runway 21 left, clear touch and go.
Touch and go, 754. Left traffic, 21 left. Okay.
Eagle 1, turn right crosswind or extend upwind.
End the turn now, Eagle 1.
035, traffic, 11 o'clock, 3
Do you think
miles.
that's the airport?
Company Cessna inbound on right base.
Okay, go, 035.
Come down off your throne and leave your body alone. Somebody must dream. You are the reason I've been away from leisure. Somebody hold the key. But I'm just think of the time. Oh, I'm wasted. Can't find my way home.
So we're on ground, and we're supposed to contact them.
Say hi. This is where we parked for lunch. Because you're cool.
We're in Prescott, Arizona. Here's a lake. People hiking. There you have it. Now we're coming up to the boulders. That was a lot of dynamite.
Winds are variable at 4, that's good. That must be the planes in my riddle.
64 Mike, runway 21 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 21 left, 764 Mike.
64 Mike, fly straight out, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Fly straight out, 21 left, clear for takeoff, 764 Mike. Heels on the floor. Full power.
Now Prescott, Road 48, passing over Jake.
Little right rudder.
North for the airport, misapproach crude off the right downwind, runway 21 right. We'll go left off the Strickland and over 21 right for Road 48.
High density altitude. Finally, we got airspeed alive.
Road 48, say next approach request. The ILS 2.
But we had a longer runway, huh?
Yeah.
Road 48, roger.
Oh. Wonder what the density altitude is. Gear up.
Windy 64 Mike, left turn after the highway approved. Prescott Tower, Skyhawk 09 Golf is Chino inbound, currently 6,800, full.
Pretty big mountains coming up fast.
Can you turn or not?
I can if I have to. We're climbing
Road 48, contact Phoenix.
300 feet a minute.
57. 150,500, I'll see you in bed for Road 48.
We're 70 miles out.
70 miles out, all is well. Sure love you.
Glad.
That was an amazing olive oil you got.
Thank you for going with me.
That was fun. That'll be some good cooking. I might even try a salad. We're a little above 7,000. Falcon Tower, Mooney 7764, Mike over the fountain with information Quebec landing full stop. Help me if I'm
Mooney 7764 Mike, Falcon Tower, no right base, runway 22 left.
Enter right base, 22 left, 7764 Mike. Check.
Propeller full increase.
Check.
Speed above 78.
Check.
Confirm gear down.
Check.
You're beam the runway, you're going to have 15 degrees of flaps.
Mooney 64 Mike, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Runway 22 left, clear to land, 7764 Mike.
She's on the rounds after what they say. I heard the news on
A little bit of a right cross.
RB59er Delta, runway 22 left, clear to land, traffic, mile final.
puts her in a trance. She's got another
And I want to verify 22 right for Echo Alpha.
Yes.
Alright, Echo Alpha.
Experimental 59er Delta, runway 22 left, clear to land, over. 310 frequency change approved.
Change approach, mark K, straight up.
Wind 260 at 11.
Possibly just some increase.
RNAV to the Bravo inbound.
Key 726 Falcon Tower, descend a minimum is approved, Howler approach. Mooney 64 Mike, turn left Delta 5, taxi ramp via Delta, monitor ground.
Delta 5, taxi ramp, Delta, monitor ground, 776 for Mike. Okay, shut down.
Yep. Throttle 1000, radio's off.